Drawing a simple brick ruler. First of all, draw a baseline. Draw a 125mm high marker point. Select the marker and copy 102.5mm to the right. Select your new marker and copy 10mm to the right to form the mortar joint. To demonstrate these are a half brick, grab the top of the marker lines and reduce by. Now select your original marker point and copy 215mm to the right to form a whole brick. Now select the original marker point again and move 440 to move to the right to form a full block. Now select both of these lines and move 10mm. Select the half brick marker and copy across to form the second half brick. Select and extend the block marker by approximately 25mm to indicate the full block. Now you have created basic marks for the ruler, you can copy from the original base point, clicking on the furthest mortar joint to form a longer ruler. You could use the array function in AutoCAD for this, however for ease and for those of you new to AutoCAD or other drafting programs, I am just doing it the manual copy way. Select the ruler and create a block. For ease I have just used Ctrl-Shift-C to copy of a base point and then Ctrl-Shift-V to insert as a block. Here I am mirroring the block through 90 degrees to give a vertical and horizontal brick rule. Now you can use the brick rule to check your drawing for coordinating brickwork dimensions. Here I'm locating on the corner of the brickwork plinth, and you can see now that you've got a simple brick ruler to check your coordination. Now let's put the ruler to use. I'm moving it to the corner of the brick wall that's projecting down. I will rotate it to line up with the wall and zoom in, and you can see that it is not coordinating with the end of the wall. Also note that where the brickwork is placed, we're 10mm out of sync because of the internal corner. Now I can select the wall, making sure I've got all the line work, and drag down to the coordinating dimension. Now it is a simple task just to tidy up the line work, and you will note because the brick ruler is sitting in the front, I will just send it to the back before tidying up the last section of line work. I will go on to discuss coordinating dimensions shortly, but as you can see, you can now easily coordinate your building to brickwork dimensions. Coordinated dimensions need to take account of how the mortar joints will affect the length and run of brickwork. If you see here, I've got the brick rule set against a indicative section of brickwork. I am selecting a section wall with two external corners. When I zoom in, you will note that there is no mortar joint on the external corner. Zooming into an area with two internal corners, you will of course see that we now have two mortar joints. A brick pier has a joint at either end of it, but the face dimension is a whole brick dimension with no joints. Similarly, looking at a window opening, it actually includes the width of the mortar joints at either end, therefore plus 20mm.